Taking a look at this great organizational product. This is from Honeera, and this is their big pocket soft animal toy storage. So this is storage for the back of a door for stuffed animals, and it requires no tools, no alterations, and it's pretty neat. So you can see with the quick instructions here that there's some poles that are included that go through, and they just fit into some slots in the fabric, and those give it some rigidity. And then there's these hooks. These are metal, so that they're going to handle all the weight of the unit here. And there's 4 of these hooks that are going to go over the top of the door, and the door will still be able to close and open with these there. And these will go to some grommets at the top of the unit. And then this comes down with 4 really large mesh pockets. Now this one's in black, but they make it in a whole bunch of different colors. And there's 4 big pockets here that you can fill with stuffed animals. They've got a bit of elastic here at the top, keep them tight. And then these grommets will clip onto the top of the door. And then these rods go in and give it some rigidity. In these slots here. So they'll pop together like a small tent pole and go in to give the unit some rigidity to be able to hold up all those stuffed animals. And what's neat is it organizes them and displays them at the same time. Really neat product. We want to thank Honeera for sending us this one to check out. I think this makes a great gift idea. Great way to organize.